Right. So today the concept which we call as a arithmetic relational operators. Right. Relational operators are nothing but, so these are used to compare the value specifying the condition. Like if you want to display the value with less than or greater than condition, we are going to use these conditions. So example, like to display the salaries between, okay, examples here. Okay, if you see here, see what is the contents are. So what are the operators? Relational operator we are going to consider. So example select, so whatever the salary, example select start from employee table. So this is the employee table, right? So inside this employee table we want to search the values, like example the salaries. So select star from employee name where salary, okay, where salary is greater than 2000. So I want to display the data only 2000 above, 2000 above. Then in this case you can see only the value, we can see the 2000 above. So the operators, relational operators are greater than, less than, okay, not equal to, okay, greater, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So these are the some of the operators which we are going to understand how to use this operator. These are called as a relational operator, right? So to differentiate the value, so salary is greater than, okay. So if you want to display the same thing, select start from employee table where salary less than 2000. So it is going to show the data which salaries are, right now we are seeing the greater than 2000, right? If I see here less than 2000, so what happens? So all the salaries which you are displaying is less than, below 2000 rupees, below 2000 salary. Okay, if you have something here, select greater than or equal to EMP table where salary greater than or equal to, okay. So, so less than or equal to, see 1500, example 1500. So what happened here, see if you see here, so it is going to display the 1500. If you remove the equal to, so it is not going to show the 1500 here. What happened? It is not going to show the 1500. So salary is greater than, less than, only less than means below. So 1500 will be not going to show. So it is going to show 499. The value should be starting. So if you are saying that less than or equal to, less than and equal to, less than and equal to, in this case only, so this value should be equal to 1500 plus the, it should be less than 1500 value, then only it is going to show the data. So this is how you are going to identify the relational operator of the data. Same thing, where salary greater than or equal to 1500. Okay, so this is how it is going to display the data. This is how it is going to display the content, display the data, right? Okay, so this is how it is going to display the data content. So next one, so same thing, if you are, if you want to show like less than or equal to or greater than, less than equal to or greater than equal to, this is how you are going to see the data. Okay, so if you are showing the salary less, greater than 1500, or example if you want to see here 1600, see here. So if you remove this 1500, then see here, so it is going to show, it is not going to show the 1500 data. So it is, should be equal to plus greater than, so both condition it is going to consider, right? So then there is another concept called, so these are the, so we can implement anything in this concept. See here, where select start from employee table where job is equal to manager. What happened here? So it is going to display only the manager data. Okay, so if you want equal to operator, if you are not equal to, then you can give us not equal to. This is the not equal to symbol. So if you are seeing here, the people who are not manager, the jobs who are not manager, display those data. Means what happened? Apart from the manager data, display all other position, analyst, salesman, president, clerk, so clerk, president, trainer, salesman, all these things apart from the manager, not equal to symbol. This is all not equal to. So we can write this. Another symbol is select star from EMP table where job. So ampersand and then equal to. So this is also displays as a not equal to symbol. Manager. So what happened? It is not equal to symbol. So this is going to search the same thing. If you are removing this one, then equal to symbol. Equal to symbol. So it is going to display only the manager. So this is how you are going to filter the data. Filter the data. Okay. So if you want to see here, so select the call employee name, salary name from the table where the employee number is equal to so and so. So if you want to give us a condition, this is how we are going to identify the content. This is how we are going to identify the content. Okay. So yeah. So now we are going to consider this the below table estimated. So provide the below information. So what is the information? This is a kind of an assignment. I think everyone has this document. So try to implement this condition, guys. I try to implement these conditions. Okay. So next one we are going to understand the special operators. Special operator. So so it's the special operator for our SQL. So we have something. These are the operators. Okay. Special operator. Operators. So what are the operators? We have special operators. One is called between, in, usual, like. Okay, so these are the operators. So if you want to see the salary, between operator means here. So select star from the employee table where salary. I want the salary between 2000 to 3000 employees. So salary between 2000 and 3000. So who's drawing the salary 2000 and 3000 between. Then if you want to know, then this is how you're going to find the data between 2000 and 3000. If you want to know the date also you can filter. Okay, date also you can filter here. So examples here, same thing. Yeah, this is how you can filter. So example, select star from employee table where higher date, okay, between, so start date and end date. So I want to know the employee between so and so date. So who's joined in the 2019, okay, so 01 dash January dash 90 and 31st December dash 2000, okay, to 20, or yeah, 1991, okay, 91. So I want to know, so because the date also should be a variable character, so then we have to display this one in single quotes. If the numbers are numerical, so we cannot display. So right now, so I want to know who is joined in between this. So no one is there. So in case I want to put here something called 20. So January, December. Okay, let me see what are the table. We don't have any 9. Okay, we don't have any 9. That's the reason. Okay, so put 80 to 81, only 81. Okay, 81. So January 1st, 1981, 81 to December 31st, 1981. Okay, so only because here we have 1980 also we have, 83 also we have, 82 also we have, 82 also we have. See here, December, October 2022 also we have. But I just want to see the complete 1981 year. Okay, so when I want to see here, this is how you can see the data, right? This is how you are going to see the data, where the dates between January 1st, 1981 to December 31st, 1981. Okay, so between operator, this is called as a special operator, between. This is how we are going to use the between operator. Next one, in operator. right? In operator, whenever you want to select multiple things. So example here, select star from employee table. Okay, so in this case what happened, we are able to see all the conditions. So I want to select manager and salesman. I want to know who are the managers and salesmen's information. Then where, so if you want to put multiple filters in one condition, then we are going to use, so where job in condition, in open bracket. So what is the condition? Manager I want to know and salesman. Manager comma salesman. So this is how we are going to find out the condition. What happened? Managers and salesmen. So if you want to pass multiple filter condition in one query, then you are going to use the in operator. In operator. So example, you want to put another one, clerk. Clerk. Okay, so clerk. So this is how we are going to put the in operator. Next one is null. So when you want to display the null values. Okay, so okay, next one. So when you have conditions called select, so is null operator, is null operator. Okay, select star from employee table where, okay, where I want to display the only null values. I want to display only the null values. So I want to know what are the null values are there. So where hire date is null. So then wherever the null value, display those values. So what happened here, the null values are there. Means null is nothing but which is not having any transaction on that day. Okay, neither it is a 0 or nothing. So it is that means that day, on that day we don't have that information. We don't have that information. It's called null value. Okay, so example, if you want to know the commission, select star from employee table where hire date, okay, commission is null. So if you see null, so these are the null values. These are the null values, we have it. Okay, if you do not want to display the null value, is not null. So then this is how you are going to display the not null condition. So where there is not, without null, null value. Okay, so this is the condition what we call as a special operators. Next one, we have something called as a like statement. What is this like? Okay, so if example, if I am not aware of the particular value, then I want to capture that information. Example, so I want to display only the February month in this complete table. I only want to display the February month. Okay, no matter whichever year. Okay, I only want to display the February month. So then how I am going to capture is here, select star from EMP table where hire date like condition single quotes, and then I'm going to put something called as a percentile, means search for that value, and then so feb and then percentile. So whatever the front value, whatever the back value, anything it might be, only the I want to know the feb, whichever the month February, display the data. So what happens? So I have two records with February month. If I want to put Jan, so it is going to search for Jan. So Jan month, you have 3 records with respect to the Jan month in 1982, year 1983, like that. Okay, examples here. Select star from employee table where hire date. Example, I don't know. Yeah, example. See here, first I don't know. I want to know the name. Letter starts from. So like, okay, employee name. So anything you can search for employee name. E name, like, single quote. Okay, A letter and then percentile, single quote. So when you get this one, so first letter in the employee name, it is going to search for A letter. What are the A letters we are there? It is going to give us the data. So there are 3 people who are starting from the A letter. Okay. Example, you don't know the, yeah. So this is how you are going to search for the data. Select star from employee table where e name like, so you don't know the first letter, so I just want to leave the blank space. So blank space means you're going to put underscore, and then the second letter I want to see something called S letter, and then go with the percentile. So single quote. So if you want to search with this data, what happened? Oh, there is no S letter. Okay, so put D letter. Let's see. Do we have anyone? So Adam. So first letter I don't care. So second letter should start from D letter, and then anything it should be fine. Okay, like that you can search anything. So if you want to see here any letter which is having some L. Okay, let's see L. Okay, L. What I'm going to put is L letter. Okay, then search here. So what happens? So there are Allen second letter, first letter I don't care. Okay, second letter should start with L letter, and after that percentile means anything it might be. So what happens? So this is how like statement will going to help to filter the data whatever you are looking for the condition. Is null means if you want to display the null values which does not have the transaction on that day, then you want to use the is null statement or not null statement. Okay, in operator is useful to select the multiple values in one query, multiple values in one condition. In one condition we can select the multiple values. Between operator will help you to search the values between, like with respect to date or with respect to the salaries, with respect to the some transaction, with respect to some condition we can find in between, less than or greater than kind of thing, right? So these are called as a these are called as a special operators. These are called special operators. Okay, these are called as a special operators, right? So please everyone has this document, go through this document and you can understand and try to practice this content in everyone. Okay, so here if you want to know the three digit salaries, who's having 3-digit salaries, so let's start from employee. Same thing, if you can see here in this table, so some people are also having 3-digit salary, so 950 some people are having. So if you want to know the salary who are having less salary, right? Same thing, so select start from employee table where salary like single 3 underscore 1 2 3, so 3 digits, 3 values, then you can find here 3-digit letter, so 3 values, right? Like that also you can do a condition, you can do search for the data. Okay, this is how you are going to search for any data. So try to practice all this content where you are able to understand. Okay, right. So next concept, not between. So relational negative operators. Same thing, relational negative operators. Okay, how to do the relational negative operator? So we are going to see that. See, these are nothing but just whatever we are trying to see. So not equal to, this is not equal to, this is also not equal to, or this is not equal to condition. So if you want to see your example, see here. Okay, relational operator is not equal to. Not equal to. Not okay, negative condition, negative values. So when in this case, see, if you see here, select, okay, select start from employee table, right? Employee table, we are going to see the data. So I don't want to see the salaries or something. So between, so salary from employee, so where salary not between 2000 and 3000. So salary, like, let's see here, if you see here whatever happening, 2000 to 3000 salaries will be not showing. So above 3000 above and less than 2000. So in between 2000 to 3000 you can't see. So not between, same like this, same condition we are going to see the not. Okay, not in, not is, not null, or not like. So apart from that, so negative things. Okay, next one, if you see here, not between, not like, same thing, select star from employee table where salary not like, so number 3 digits we are searching, right? So apart from 3 digits, show other values. Show other values. That is the condition. So it is going to show all other things apart from 3. So if you are not, if you are removing this not like, then it is going to show 3 values only. 3 digit salaries. If you are putting not like, so not 3 digit, apart from anything, you can, it is going to show the data. 4 digits and 0 digits. Like that. Okay. So next one, not in operator. Not in operator means same condition. Not in operator. Select star from employee table. Okay. So select star from employee where, okay, where job not in condition. What are the thing? So do not display the another manager, okay, or salesman. So apart from that, display all other values. So it is not going to display the manager and salesman job. So if you are removing this not, then it is going to display the manager and salesman's only. Okay. So this is how we are going to use the condition not equal to not null. So is not null. So if examples here, select star from employee table. So if you want to know the is null, okay, same thing. So select star from employee where salary is null values. So display only the null values. Okay, commission column. We have commission null, right? So commission values. So if you want to see the commission null values. If you do not want to see is not null. What happened? It is without the null values, it is going to show the data. If you want to convert the null values into 0, then we have something called CSM EMP table. So if you have condition, see null values. So what is the conditions of anyone know? How to convert the null into 0? How to convert the null into 0? Anyone know that? Employee number, employee name, job, manager, hire date, salary, commission. Okay. So commission, if you want to convert an NVL of commission, comma 0 value. Okay. Department number from EMP. So what happened? NVL commission, NVL command commission will convert the null values into 0 values. You can see here null values into 0 values. Replace the values, null into 0. Okay, so you're bypass the road, bypass outer ring road. You know, you got, so you're going to override the values. Override the value. We can override the values. This is how we are going to use the condition. So these are the assignment. So everyone can try to practice on these assignments. Okay. So logical operator and OR operator will be going to cover in the next class. So for today, we are done for the today's session, guys. So I will be going to upload this session, okay, and then we can continue for the tomorrow session. Thank you.